Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting evidence: order ID, timestamps, and clear screenshots. This matters because specific proof speeds review. Once done, check which policy the seller violated so you label the report correctly. Then go to the order page and use the three-dot menu to start a report. Select the closest reason. You do this now because immediate reporting preserves timeline context, and it ensures Fiverr's support sees the full conversation and attachments. Next, you upload evidence and build a clear timeline: date of order, delivery attempts, and requested revisions. This tells reviewers what happened and why. Make sure to attach receipts, message screenshots, and delivered files. Label each item briefly. Choose severity and whether you want a refund or dispute escalation, because that determines next steps by support. After filling fields, review for clarity, then submit. Fiverr queues the case to their trust team for assessment and potential. Finally, monitor Fiverr support for a 48 to 72-hour response window and reply quickly when they ask for clarification. Responsiveness speeds resolution. If nothing happens, escalate through the resolution center or reopen the report with trust and safety. Include missing evidence. If you realize the report was incorrect, withdraw it and explain. This prevents account flags. One troubleshooting tip: if attachments fail to upload, compress files to PDF or ZIP and note file names in the report so support can request them.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.